Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you access DApps into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet at very first. And now, after opening the Trust Wallet, simply unlock it. Then after that, you will get to see this Discover section. Tap to that Discover section and then you can discover DApps into this Discover DApps section. Into here, you can select Feature, DEX, Lending, Yield and many more options. Just simply select the suitable DApp from this page, and in order to use, just simply open any of the DApp that you find suitable, and after that you can stake it and purchase into this page. This way you can easily use DApp into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.